Let's take a look at the Mosko tank bag. Molly hydration pack that's in here. Today I've got a spare part in here because we did some rough riding and this came off, but other than that, we got a pen light and usually a pen there and a pad of paper, which is right there. I like to clip my inReach right here and leave it in there, that way it can't fall. Let's see what else we got in this baby for our moto adventures. Okay, so we got some tea, a gooey, gotta have your fingernail clippers, and your Lucky Charm. Thank you, Tim. And in the bottom of that I got a lighter and a mic cord for my camera and a zip tie. Usually you have more zip ties, but not currently. This pocket is currently empty. Up here I have special ratchet you can put different attachments in, and I have those attachments here. And then I have a regular ratchet as well, blue Loctite, even though it's in a red bottle. And back here I just keep like a GoPro screw and a handlebar mount right there. And that's that for that compartment. In this compartment, this is extra today. Again, fell off. Over here is pretty cool. Little spot for my GoPro batteries. Up under the waterproof cover, I just stashed some bug repellent. Then in here I keep my pistol, my wallet, map. Pretty much that's that for that compartment. Over to here, I keep my multi-tool, cord, spare headlamp. These are really cool. If you don't have these, you should pick them up. I'll leave a link below. But they are titanium wrenches. And then I also have a for a float bowl, and paperwork and tape, spare spoon. And that, my friends, is my Mosko Moto tank bag. Thanks for tuning in. Highly recommend Mosko Moto products. I'll leave the name, the description, and the link where you can get one of these. I would highly recommend it. Doesn't cost you any more, so go ahead and use the link. That'd be awesome. Until next time, stay safe and come join the adventure.